plenty of people are in shelters. We sent our John Shainman up to Indian River County and to talk to the volunteers and how they're coping with these stressful days and nights.
The sound of the approaching storm, muted by the twinkling of the ivories.
Well, I'm not a professional. Well, I'm an artist.
Roy McClendon Jr.'s wife works at Oslo Middle School, for now a shelter in Indian River County. So he's been doing a little bit of everything.
Unloading cars, bringing them into the rooms, and doing every little bit of thing I can for the situation.
But it's at the piano where he's having the biggest impact.
Music calms people down.
Sadie the service dog is who calms Pat Peterson down. She and her sister Joyce Sheets, who'd come up from Boca Raton, now in what they call their own Ritz-Carlton.
They were awesome.
They have a great team here. They can't do enough for us.
And then there were those not working at the shelter who just wanted to help. John Cunningham looked around to see what he had and dropped off what he could offer.
Why not? I mean, if people need it, why not help them? You know, I mean, there's plenty of it to go around.
And by it, maybe he meant a sense of community and friendship. And good feelings during these stressful nights. In Indian River County, John Shainman, WPTV, News Channel 5.